everyone! Welcome to the FS video. We'll learn how to discover your PicOS switch using the IP address on the AmpCon Management Platform. Device discovery is a few clicks away with the AmpCon Management Platform, and the first step towards ease of device discovery is to log into AmpCon. Open a web browser and enter the URL of the AmpCon server. Enter the username and password, and click Login to enter the user interface. Next, configure the system. Click Settings. Click System Configuration to configure related parameters. Device default login user and device default password are the switch login credentials, namely admin and admin. Enter the license portal URL, license portal user, and license portal password in sequence. Config backup number and DB backup number can be determined by yourself, and the maximum value shall not exceed 20. After the configuration is completed, click Save. And then one last important task: import PicOS switch by IP address. Click Lifecycle. Click Import switch. Click Import. Enter the IP and choose the corresponding switch configuration. Click Save. Wait for loading to end. Now you can see that AmpCon is executing the task of importing the PicOS switch. It will take about 2 to 5 minutes to finish importing. At this time, the switch is in an unreachable state. Now import is completed. You can see the switch status is active and the switch is managed. This completes your successful discovery PicOS switch using the IP address. Welcome to visit the FS website to launch demo. Explore its features and test your network. Thank you.